How to fix LinkedIn verification code not received. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of LinkedIn application on your device. So just go to Google Play Store and search for LinkedIn. So as you can see, there's an update available for LinkedIn application on my device. So I just have to tap on update and it will start updating. Now after getting it updated, what you need to do is just go to your LinkedIn application and make a long press. Then tap on app info. After that, tap on clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then clear cache. And if it's possible, you can also delete all data. Then what you need to do is tap on app permissions. Make sure that you have toggled on all the options. Right now it's not allowed, but make sure that you allow all of these options over here and your problem will be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.